Good morning. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, West Junior High School.
Coming to you from TV Studio A215. Welcome to today's broadcast of West Junior High School Live.
I'm Hope.
And I'm Cassie.
And here are your announcements for Thursday, May 26th, day 4 of the 6-day cycle.
Attention students who ordered yearbooks. Yearbooks will be distributed on Tuesday morning during homeroom period 1. Please report to the library to pick yours up. Beginning on Wednesday, extra copies of the yearbook will be available for purchase. The cost is $25 and it's cash only. Please see Mr. Burney if you would like to get one.
All of Mrs. Lehman's classes should report to the computer lab A213 across the library today. Reading Olympics participants, please report to 234 Mrs. Lehman's room for a newspaper photo.
Attention students, locker cleanout will be held on Wednesday, June 1st. The Environmental Club will have been set up by the pod bathrooms to collect specific items to reduce what you will need to carry home or throw away. Please consider recycling the following items.
Paper. Any paper that is no longer needed for your classes. Notebooks with wire cannot be recycled, but if you have the time to separate the paper from the wire, it will gladly be taken.
Cans and bottles with no liquid inside of them. Clothes. Monitors will wash any donated school-appropriate clothing for the clothes closet, and any clothes that you have grown out of this year will gladly be accepted too.
Binders and notebooks. Anything that has been gently used and is still functional will be repurposed and given to students that need them next year.
School supplies. Any miscellaneous school supplies like pens, pencils, colored pencils, markers, and more can be donated to that bin.
Thanks to all West Junior High students that have done their part by placing paper in the recycling bins instead of the garbage cans this year. Special thanks to Mr. Scabello and Mrs. Maxwell in this class. Their weekly bin emptying was a great help.
West Junior High School is holding a Relay for Life to raise money for the American Cancer Society. Students who wish to participate pay $1 to their ELA teacher by Tuesday, May 31st. They will walk outside during their ELA classes on Wednesday, June 1st. Plaques will also be sold during lunches to honor those who have died from cancer or survivors. Please join us in this opportunity to help others and have fun too. So far, 350 students have signed up. Don't miss out. Mrs. Zurinsky's Spanish classes, periods 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, will be in room 100 today, Thursday, May 26th, due to Keystone testing.
Attention all students! Please go to the West Junior High School and vote for the newspaper survey. We need your input. Go to the West Junior High School website and vote.
Skate to Save fundraiser will be held at Big Wheel on June 6th at 6:30 to 8:30 for the Pocono Wildlife Rehab Center. Cost is only $6, which is actually cheaper than the normal cost. Please consider attending and bringing your family.
Skate to Save will also be selling bracelets during the lunches to help raise money for the Pocono Wildlife Rehabilitation Center. Bracelets will be sold Wednesday and Friday.
The last walking club meeting will be held today. Please let Mrs. Brenolino know if you are planning to attend.
Fall sports physicals will take place Thursday, June 2nd from 3 to 8 p.m. at the West High School. Fall sports include cross country, girls soccer, field hockey, cheerleading, boys soccer, girls volleyball, and football. Please check the schedule hanging in the main office or on the scrolling announcements to see what day and time you need to get your physical done.
Attention students, all library books are now overdue. Please get your overdue library books back ASAP. Any student that has library fines needs to resolve them this week. And also a reminder to 8th graders going to the high school. Unpaid library fines will prevent you from using the library there. Please take care of your obligations.
Any student who wants to request a song to be played on the announcements, stop by the library to fill out a song request form. All songs, of course, must be appropriate for school and are subject to denial. And thanks to the students who have submitted songs.
Students are reminded that when you enter the building in the morning, you must remove your hats, hoods, earbuds, or earphones. Your phone should be turned off and put away for the remainder of the day.
Students, anytime you want a birthday shout out, please bring it down to the library the day before the announcement is needed.
The attendance office would like to remind you that if you are ever absent from school, you need to bring in your absent note to the attendance window ASAP.
Each and every broadcast of West Junior High School Live is recorded and added to the West Junior High School website soon after the announcements are over. Please check the website for any missed announcements. Schooling announcements will be played throughout the day.
Teachers are reminded to have their TVs turned on to Channel 15 by 7:25 each morning. Our broadcast will begin at approximately 7:30 each day.
The band lesson schedule for today is Period 1, Group J, 7th drums, Period 3, Group K, 8th saxes, and Period 8, Group L, 8th flutes.
In the lunchroom at the Play Bowl today, citrus pork roast, rice and beans with ham, seasoned peas, whole grain dinner roll.
Your weather forecast for today, very warm with clouds and sunshine, a thunderstorm in the area late this afternoon, and a high of 82 degrees. Currently it's 48 degrees outside.
Well, that's it for today's announcements. On behalf of the entire West Junior High School Live crew, I'm Cassie.
And I'm Hope. Thanks for watching, and don't forget that all library obligations need to be resolved this week, and have a great day!